Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add motion blur in Snapseed. To add motion blur effect on Snapseed, the first thing to do is to open your Snapseed application. Snapseed does not have a direct motion blur filter, but you can achieve a similar effect using the combination of tools. So here's how you can do it. From the main homepage of Snapseed, tap on the plus button. Now go ahead and select an image you would like to edit. After you choose an image from the camera library or after you take a photo from your camera, go ahead and tap on the tools option at the bottom. From the tools menu, scroll down and tap on lens blur, which should be located at the bottom right. Once you select lens blur from the available options, adjust the blur strength. Swipe right in order to increase your blur strength or swipe left in order to decrease it. After you choose the desired blur strength or intensity for your blur effect, you can also go ahead and look for other effects by tapping on the control panel at the bottom. You can also increase or decrease transition and Visente strength option. And once you are done, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. Once you click the tick mark at the bottom right corner, you will be able to add motion blur on Snapseed. So that is the only way you will be able to do so. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.